In this project, we're going to make a memory game. In this game, you'll see 4 characters on the screen. You'll get a few seconds to look and remember where they are. Then you'll be covered by squares. Your job is to tap the right square and try to remember which character is hiding under it. Remember to save your project as memory game by your name before we start. Let's take a look at the finished game first. You'll see the characters for a few seconds, then they'll be hidden by the squares. When you tap a square, it disappears to show what's underneath. Try to remember all the spots correctly. That's how you win. Now let's make the game. First, let's remove the default character, press and hold on it, then tap the red X when it appears. Now let's add the characters you'll need to remember. Tap the plus button on the left side. Choose a character you like and tap the check mark at the top. We'll add 4 characters for the game. I'll add a dog, a butterfly, a frog, and an apple. Drag them next to each other in a row. If any are too big or too small, tap the purple button, drag the grow or shrink block, and tap until they look right. Now let's make a smaller version of each character to use as a guide. Add the same 4 characters again, then drag them to the bottom of the screen. Use the shrink block to make them smaller, and mix up the order so they're not in the same order as the top row. This will be your clue row, so you can see which characters you're trying to find. Now we'll make the squares that will hide the characters. Tap the plus button on the left, then tap the paintbrush tool. Use the square tool and paint bucket to draw a square. When you're happy, tap the check mark. Add 4 squares in total. Place each one on top of a character so they're fully covered. Now tap one of the squares to code it. Tap the yellow button and drag the green flag block. Tap the purple button, drag the hide block. Tap the orange button, drag the weight block, and change the number to 15. Tap the purple button, drag the show block. Tap the red button, drag the end block. That means when you start the game, the squares will hide for 15 seconds so you can see the characters, then appear to cover them. Now let's make them disappear when tapped. Tap the yellow button, drag the start on tab block. Tap the purple button, drag the hide block. Tap the red button, drag the end block. You should now have 2 lines of code for the square. Copy both lines of code to the other 3 squares by dragging the lines over their panels on the left. Check that all your squares have the same 2 lines. Now we're done coding. Tap the full screen button, press the green flag, and play your game. Look carefully to remember where each character is, then try tapping the squares to uncover them. Challenge a friend to see who remembers better. Nice work! You just made a memory game using block coding. Now try to make it even better. You can make it harder by using more characters or making the wait time shorter.